how are you doing? Today I have a mega transport.
You have mega transport.
Yeah,
It's a truck.
yeah, which could take to another.
Yes, nice.
Yeah.
So he's carrying so many cars actually. That's nice.
Yeah.
Can you show me what is it? Whoa, that's
And
nice. That's great.
yeah.
So this is you buy it or you got a gift?
This is my gift.
This is your birthday gift?
Yeah.
Yeah. So who gave you this gift?
It's Amin and Ahmed.
Yes.
Because they're my friends.
That's
They
right.
gave this.
That's fantastic.
Thank you, Amin and Ahmed, for this.
Fantastic. So can you just open and show us that?
Yeah, I can open. There. Yeah. And this is the truck. I need to connect it.
Yes. So there is a label. Can you show the labels? What was that?
3 levels.
3 levels are there, and even here inside also you
4
can.
and 5 and 6.
That's right.
And 7 and 8.
Oh,
Here you
wow.
could put in here. Also,
Oh my goodness, that's nice.
yeah.
That's
They
a
do.
secret chamber. So,
Yes.
yeah.
It
Fantastic.
say it. Look, it could say. You could put car here.
That's right. That's nice.
Yeah.
Cool. And you got some small cars also.
Yeah,
Keep
those
them.
are the cars. We got them.
And just open, keep it there.
Yeah. We have some of this blue car. This is the blue car I got. I'll put it in here. And the bone checker. We have also that's here is the bone checker.
Wow, that's nice.
I'll put it right here. And I'll close it.
Okay.
And we have more cars. We have the blue car.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put it top of here. One last car we have now is this. We have this. Friends, this is Bone Shaker. This is D Muscle. Those are both MJ.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's nice. Fantastic. Oh, I love it actually.
Yeah.
It's a great stuff. So you can keep so many cars. You have
Yeah.
so many cars of them, so you can keep
Yeah.
with them there.
Yes, and I have more big trucks.
So you're gonna keep all those cars there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, I have this.
Yeah, you can fill all those cars.
Yes, and this too.
What is it? These are theirs. So many of cars. It's like a junkyard here.
Yeah.
So many
Yeah.
Hot Wheels. Amazing.
And there are so many Hot Wheels who crash.
That's right. So you can keep all those cars
Yeah.
in here, you know?
And I have a van.
Yeah. You have a huge collections of cars.
Yeah.
That's right.
This is figure.
That's right.
There's also some green trucks. I have.
Yes, you have some already. 2 green truck.
Those are old ones.
Yeah.
Like this is 2 levels only.
Okay, this is 2 levels. And that's the third one, the big one.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And this is
Cool.
a small one. And you could, if you throw car here, it will come in. It will come out.
That's right. So you have 3 trucks now.
Yeah.
Transporter, right?
Yes.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Means I could carry lots of cars.
Yeah. It's amazing.
Let's put figure right in here. Then this two here. Then we have the police car, sports car.
Yeah.
This is the one. That never fits in this truck. Never fits. I put some cars here.
Wow. It's amazing. Yeah. I love it.
Yeah.
Look at that.
There's also one car I have here.
Yeah. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Cool. Love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I have lots of trucks.
That's right. Yeah, I can see that. So many of them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bye friends. See you. If you like my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye. Give a big thumbs up. Bye.